Hi there! Have you mistakenly deleted any important emails from your Gmail apps and you want to know how to recover deleted permanently or temporarily? Sometimes we mistakenly delete emails from our Gmail apps. Also, some of the emails can go missing. Therefore, in today's video, I'll explain and show you how you can recover any deleted or missing emails from your Gmail apps in two ways. If you recently deleted your mail, you need to follow the first way. However, if you want to recover an old email that is more than 30 days old, you need to follow second way. So let's get started. First, recover your deleted email. Open Gmail apps, tap the three-dot line, scroll down and tap the trash icon. Now, if you recently deleted any email, you'll find your recently deleted email here for 30 days. Now, choose the email that you want to recover. Tap three-dot, tap Move to. Now, choose your folder to recover your deleted emails. Now, let's talk about how you can remove those emails that you even removed from here, or these emails that you deleted over 30 days before. Now, those deleted email is still available on the Google server. So you need to ask Google to give you back. There you need to type recover deleted emails in Gmail. Now scroll down here, tap delete or recover deleted Gmail, tap the three-dot, tap Gmail. Now make sure to enter or log in to your email account. Now tap the three-dot line again. Tap setting, tap help and feedback. Tap send feedback. Now you need to explain your problem. Now tell them that you want to recover old Gmail messages or pictures or whatever you want to recover. After giving a proper explanation of your problem, tap Submit. Now once you submit your request to the Google Help Center, after that they are going to email you back and they are going to help you to get to your deleted email information on your Gmail account. So guys, this is two processes you need to follow to recover your deleted Gmail message. Now, if you have any more questions, be sure to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.